Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today it is Monday the 23rd of November and I am outside Wilkos. I'm at the other end, as you can see. Not an awful lot, well there isn't any demolition going on right now, but there is some things going on. I think it's around 12 PM, so I'll probably come in around lunchtime, so that's probably why all the machines are still. So what I might do is have a bit of a walkabout and come back in an hour or so. We'll just take a look at the remaining bits of the building before I do that. Just picking that stack of planks up, oh, and dropping them. That's one way to get them over here. Oh, and the other thing's working now, so there is stuff going on. Big dinosaur nipper. It doesn't look like it's moving at all today. I can come back later and see if it's on. But for now, this is all that's happening here. There really isn't an awful lot left. Look at that, just the back bit. I mean, it's still a hefty chunk of concrete that's left. It's still going to take a while. And lots of people have been saying when they think it'll all be done. My initial guess was January, and I think I could be right. I know we've got December to go, but there's such a lot of clearing up and sorting out to be done. Yeah, I'm going to go with my original thought and say possibly middle or end of January. That is what one of the guys on site told me when they very first started. Because one dude said, oh, it'll be all down and done by Christmas. And then another guy said, nah, it'll be January, it's going to take longer than that. But I'm going to switch this video off now. I'm going to have a little bit of a walk around and I'll come back later around the other side and film the other half of this video. So, bye for now. Okay, and I'm back round the other side now and all the machines are still working, but it looks like today is just going to be a clearing up day. Usually when they start clearing up, they do it for about a week or so. So maybe this whole week will be clearing up and sorting. This guy's still picking up all these planks and moving them. These are the planks that were originally laid down on the road and pavement surface to protect the ground. He's changed his diggerhead now, or they've swapped vehicles, because before it was the grabby one that was trying to get hold of those planks, and now they've got the scoopy one. And yeah, those are the official terms. There's the grabby one, which is there, so called because it grabs, and on that side there goes the bus. On that side they have the scoopy one, so called because it scoops things. And we all know that that one is called the dinosaur. Because I think it's important we use the official names of things, don't you? Walk down to the end now so we can see what's going on right at this end by the cabins. You see that mound of earth there? Everything's been crushed to tiny stones and powder. There's another big mound there. That just could be going on the floor, because they did that at the George when they demolished the George. A lot of the pub's remains just went on the floor and filled the basement in and everything. So a lot of this stuff would just be part of the new ground over in there. Although I'm only just thinking aloud and guessing. We'll have to wait and see what actually happens. But it has been interesting watching this come down bit by bit. It's going to look so different, isn't it, with the new tram hub there and the hotel on the other corner. It's going to change the whole landscape of Talbot Road so very much. That's why I enjoy filming things like this, because say 5 years down the line, when the hotel and the tram hub's been there and been established for a few years, people will be used to them and used to seeing them as part of the town, and we kind of forget how the old things looked. So I think it's good to have a reminder. That's another reason why I like to film these videos. I am hoping that if YouTube is still around 10 years, 20 years, whatever into the future, if my videos are still around, people will look back at them and be like, wow, that's interesting. Somebody did comment on one of my videos the other day, something like, I'm off to watch paint dry, that'll be more exciting, something like that. I'm paraphrasing, I can't remember the exact comment, but it made me giggle. But my videos aren't meant to be exciting. You're not meant to watch them and be on the edge of your seat thinking, oh wow, look at that. It's just really so you can see what's going on and we can keep a record of what's going on in the town. Because if you think they're boring, imagine if somebody would have come around Blackpool in the 70s and 80s and filmed everything being knocked down or everything being built up. If videos from the 70s and 80s of that kind of stuff were put on YouTube now, I'd definitely want to watch them, because I'd be like, yeah, that's really interesting. So hopefully people will feel the same thing about my videos in the future, and maybe my channel will eventually get popular. Well, anyhow, I'm going to close this video for now, so I'm going to say thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a like and a comment, please subscribe, and I shall see you all in the next video. Goodbye.